convection experimental apparatus. You know the definition of convection. It is the transfer of heat by the fluid particles or fluids between the different temperatures. Okay. So as it is mentioned, it is a forced convection. The fluid is forced to flow through the surface of a pipe. Okay. So here you can see the blower. When you switch on the blower, the air will be forced to flow through this pipe, horizontal pipe. Okay. So this is about the forced convection. And here, after switching on the this, you need to maintain this auto transformer. You need to adjust the auto transformer. As you can see here, ammeter reading is showing it as 0. You need to consider it for around 0.5 to 0.10. Okay. So when you adjust this ammeter, the voltmeter reading will be displayed. You need to note down these readings. Okay. After that, you need to switch on this blower. When you switch on the blower, you need to take down the readings of these temperatures. Here T1 to T6 is surface temperature, T7 is inlet, and T8 is outlet air temperature. Okay. See here, these thermocouples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are surface temperatures which is attached to this pipe. Okay. And this is inlet temperature, inlet air temperature, and this is T7. And this thermocouple is outlet air temperature, and it is T8. Okay. So after switching on this blower, we need to take down the readings of manometer readings and temperature readings. Here CH4 has been displayed, that is nothing but T4. Okay. You can adjust here. There is a channel increase decrease. Okay. As you have seen in the other experiments, see it is T1 temperature. In the same manner, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7 and T8. You need to note down these readings. Okay. After switching on the blower, you need to note down these readings and also the manometer readings. So you need to take the difference between the manometers. Okay. So that is the manometer reading. And you can observe here. So this is the tabular column. Okay. So there is a volts amps, that is the ammeter and voltmeter reading. Okay. Ammeter and voltmeter reading. And there is a heat supplied. You can substitute it by Q is equal to V into I. And a manometer reading. Manometer reading will be in, you should take it in meter of water. Okay. So here it will be in mm, right? So it will be in mm. You need to consider it for meters. Okay. And these are wall temperatures, T1 to T6. Okay. And air temperature, inlet and outlet. And after that, you need to calculate the convective heat transfer coefficient. Here the aim of the experiment is to find out the convection heat transfer coefficient, right? That is H value, small h value. And you can take the screenshot of this calculation. You can take the screenshot of this calculation so that you can do the calculations on your own. Okay. And also continuation, you can take this screenshot and do the calculations. Okay. For these readings, you take the calculations and you just try it out. Okay. Take the screenshot and you just try out the calculations. Okay. This is the result. Oh yes, this is about the forced convection. Just try it out. Okay. Thank you.